At the time of this recording, Mexico to the USA is the largest single remittance corridor in the world, transacting $24 billion per year. There are roughly 55 million unbanked Mexicans and almost 93 million who lack access to formal credit. That's only 45% of Mexicans that have bank accounts, and of those, barely half have access to credit. At Bank to the Future, we were shocked to learn that even though the United States to Mexico is the largest remittance corridor in the world, U.S. President Donald Trump is planning to build a wall not only to stop immigration, but to stop U.S. dollars flowing out of the country. We believe that Mexicans who live in the United States should be able to send their money anywhere in the world, anytime, and without paying a high fee just to send it back home to their family and friends. Well, you'll be glad to know these problems will soon become history. Bitso developed products to tackle these issues and chose to raise part of their funding on our online investment platform, BnkToTheFuture.com. We both believe that the people of Mexico have many reasons to use Bitcoin. The costs are lower, it's faster, and it serves the 45% who are unbanked. But prior to Bitso, there was no simple solution to transact Bitcoin in Mexico in the comfort of one's own home and online. Most of the transactions took place offline, which required physical meetup points along with duffel bags of cash to exchange into Bitcoin. BnkToTheFuture.com is the largest online investment platform with thousands of professional investors waiting to invest in financial and technological innovation. Go to our homepage and you'll see the total number of professional investors, how much they have invested, and the amount of dividends that they've received. Bitso was a perfect match for us. They had a top lineup of support from investors like Barry Silbert's digital currency group, Bitcoin Capital, and now Bank to the Future. They wanted more funding from professional investors who believed in them and knew the value of their business. And they wanted the investment to come through fast, in different currencies, and with a streamlined compliance and documentation process. A solution was found, and Bitso decided to list on Bank to the Future. We gave Bitso access to a global community of thousands of qualifying investors ready to invest in financial and technological innovation. We gave them a platform that complies with international financial regulations tailored for most major currencies and countries. We structured the investment in a way that meant they only get one registered investor. We cut out the painful admin, legal costs, and problems raising further finance in the future as compliance and documentation was completed by us in an optimized investment structure. And all under a no-win, no-fee agreement with no upfront costs. We provided all our investors with one investment agreement and a forum to communicate with the team quickly, efficiently, and privately with additional investor protections. Investors can download all legal work, due diligence, and certificates via our platform whenever they want. We also invested in Bitso through one of our venture capital funds, meaning investors got to co-invest with us on the same terms and our interests are aligned. If Bitso floats on a stock market, is acquired in the future, or pays investors dividends, investors get their returns minus our 5% fee. We built our online investment platform with one purpose in mind: to prepare for a radically different future in financial and technological innovation. Businesses just like Bitso can raise finance in a safe, fast, and effective way, while our investors get to allocate a portion of their wealth to an extremely disruptive and fast-growing area that many are beginning to see could change the world of finance forever. Just like Bitso, you can get involved by making a quick online application for finance at BnkToTheFuture.com or register to see if you qualify to invest.